Hello, this is CADian. Are you familiar with CADian3D, one of the products provided by CADian? CADian3D is a 3D modeling software that supports bidirectional compatibility with DXF and 3DM files and features an intuitive interface that anyone can use easily. Following the last video, let's take a look at the convenient features of CADian3D. To watch the part 1, please check the link in the description of more below. Fourth convenient feature, Snap. Snap helps you to precisely snap to specific points, as if by a magnet. There are 3 types of snap: grid snap, straight snap, and object snap. You can turn snap on/off by clicking the button. The light blue color indicates it is active. Let's first look at grid snap. Here, think of grid as countless squares visible on the work surface. When you zoom in closer, you can see the squares more clearly. Each square represents one grid. With grid snap active, you can work by snapping to the corners of the squares. For example, when you execute line and move the mouse, the cursor automatically snaps to the grid area. You can also set the size of snap and grid by clicking the arrow button below grid snap. Next is straight snap. Straight snap helps you draw objects in vertical/horizontal directions. By default, the snap angle is set to 90 degrees. When you execute line and move the mouse, there are points where it snaps like a magnet in the horizontal/vertical directions. This is possible because straight snap is on. Next is object snap. Object snap helps you easily capture specific points of objects. I will draw a rectangle to show this. Click line in Draw Curve, then move the mouse to the middle of the rectangle to see the middle snap recognized. Move the mouse to the edge of the rectangle to see the end snap recognized. Move the mouse to the center of the rectangle to see the center snap recognized. Using snap makes it easy to capture desired points. You can turn on/off detailed snap modes by clicking the arrow button below object snap. To temporarily disable object snap, hold down the Alt key on the keyboard. Fifth convenient feature, display hidden lines. You can see the display hidden lines button at the top right. When display hidden lines is checked, the edges located on the backside of the object in the 3D view are displayed as hidden lines. Turning off display hidden lines hides the edges on the backside. Check display hidden lines when you need to work while viewing the hidden parts of the object. Sixth convenient feature, view reset. When working as shown on the screen, the position and scale of the objects can look different in each of the 4 views. There is a way to reset all views. There is a reset button at the bottom center of each view. Right-click on the reset button to change all views centered on the object. Seventh convenient feature, browser. There is a browser button at the top right. Clicking the browser button brings up a window like this. Let's change the names of the lines and box objects shown on the screen. When you click an object, the object information appears at the top left, and it is labeled unnamed. Click Unnamed to change the name. Do the same for the box, and change its name. After changing the names, let's look at the browser on the right again. Under the Objects category, you will see the names of the objects you just changed. Clicking the eye icon on the left hides or shows the object. Clicking the right side brings up a yellow circle, allowing you to select or deselect the object. The types below categorize objects by element. Similarly, clicking the eye icon hides or shows the element. The styles below allow you to color the selected object. Using this feature, you can separate objects by color into different layers. That's it for the convenient features of CADian 3D. If you have any questions about CADian 3D, please contact us via our website, email, or comments. Thanks for watching.